Hello everyone, today's topic is continuous testing in DevOps course. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the continuous testing in the DevOps course. Roadmap. What is continuous testing in DevOps and its importance? Types of continuous testing in DevOps. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program. Now we are discussing what continuous testing in DevOps and its importance is. What is continuous testing in DevOps? Continuous testing in DevOps is the process of executing automated tests throughout the software development lifecycle (SDLC) to ensure application quality, security, and performance. Unlike traditional testing, which occurs at the end of development, continuous testing is integrated into continuous integration (CI) and continuous deployment (ESCD) pipelines, enabling teams to validate every code change in real time. This proactive approach helps detect defects early, reducing the chances of failures in production. Why is continuous testing important? Early bug detection. Continuous testing enables developers to identify and fix bugs at the initial stages, reducing rework and saving costs. Faster release cycles, automating tests across different environments, accelerates software delivery without compromising quality. Improved software quality. Continuous testing ensures that applications meet functional, security, and performance requirements before deployment. Seamless CI/CD integration. It enables smooth collaboration between development, testing, and operations teams, enhancing efficiency. Reduced risks and downtime. By continuously validating code, organizations can prevent critical issues from reaching production, reducing downtime, and enhancing user experience. Better compliance and security. Automated security and compliance testing ensure that applications adhere to industry standards and regulations. Next, we discuss types of continuous testing in DevOps. Continuous testing is a key practice in DevOps that ensures software quality through automated testing at every stage of the development lifecycle. It helps in early defect detection, improves efficiency, and accelerates delivery cycles. Below are the major types of continuous testing in DevOps. Unit testing focuses on testing individual components or modules of the application to ensure they function as expected. It is typically automated and executed early in the development process. Popular tools include Junit, Nunit, and PyTest. Integration testing. This type of testing verifies the interactions between different modules or services in a system. It ensures seamless communication between components, APIs, and databases. Tools like Selenium, TestNG, and Postman are commonly used. Functional testing. Functional testing evaluates whether the application meets the specified business requirements. It checks user flows, input validations, and expected outcomes. Automation tools such as Selenium, Cucumber, and Qtp are widely used for functional testing. Regression testing. Regression testing ensures that new changes do not negatively impact existing functionalities. Automated regression test suites help maintain software stability during frequent updates. Tools like Jenkins, Selenium, and Appium aid in regression testing. Performance testing. Performance testing assesses the speed, scalability, and stability of an application under different load conditions. It helps identify performance bottlenecks before deployment. Popular tools include JMeter, Gatling, and LoadRunner. Security testing focuses on identifying vulnerabilities, risks, and loopholes in the application. It ensures protection against cyber threats. Tools such as OWASP, ZAP, Burp Suite, and Nessus are commonly used. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in continuous testing in DevOps course, DevOps Test Engineer, responsible for integrating automated testing into CI/CD pipelines, ensuring continuous validation of software. The average salary ranges from $80,000 to $120,000 per year. Automation Test Engineer focuses on developing and maintaining automated test scripts using tools like Selenium, Junit, and TestNG. Salaries typically range between $75,000 to $110,000 per year. Software Development Engineer in Test, SDET, combines development and testing expertise to create robust test automation frameworks. The salary for this role varies from $90,000 to $130,000 annually. Performance Test Engineer specializes in performance and load testing using tools like JMeter and Gatling to ensure system scalability. Earnings are around $85,000 to $115,000 per year. Security Test Engineer conducts security assessments and vulnerability testing as part of the DevOps pipeline, with salaries ranging from $90,000 to $125,000 annually. CI/CD Engineer works on integrating automated testing into DevOps workflows, improving deployment efficiency. The salary typically falls between $95,000 to $135,000 per year. DevOps Architect designs and optimizes DevOps strategies, including continuous testing frameworks. Professionals in this role earn between $120,000 to $160,000 annually. QA Lead Manager oversees testing teams, ensures quality standards, and manages testing strategies. Salaries range from $100,000 to $140,000 per year. Site Reliability Engineer, SRE, focuses on reliability, monitoring, and automated testing in production environments. The salary varies between $110,000 to $150,000 annually. Cloud DevOps Engineer manages cloud-based DevOps testing environments and automation processes, earning around $100,000 to $145,000 per year. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete continuous testing in DevOps training, designed to provide you with the skills needed to implement automated testing throughout the software development lifecycle. This course covers all essential aspects of continuous testing, including test automation frameworks, integration with CI/CD pipelines, and various testing methodologies. You will learn how to work with tools like Selenium, Junit, TestNG, and Cypress to automate testing processes efficiently. In addition, the course dives deep into DevOps testing strategies, teaching you how to integrate automated testing into CI/CD pipelines using Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD, and Azure DevOps. You will gain hands-on experience in unit testing, functional testing, performance testing, and security testing, ensuring high-quality software delivery. The course also covers modern testing approaches such as shift-left testing, containerized testing with Docker and Kubernetes, and real-time monitoring with Grafana and Prometheus. The GoLogica Continuous Testing in DevOps training prepares you for roles such as DevOps Test Engineer, Automation Test Engineer, CI/CD Engineer, Performance Test Engineer, and Site Reliability Engineer. Upon completion, you will receive a certification validating your expertise in DevOps testing. Furthermore, GoLogica provides resume building support, interview preparation, and 24/7 expert assistance. The course is designed for flexible, self-paced learning, ensuring you gain practical skills to tackle real-world DevOps testing challenges and advance your career in the DevOps ecosystem.